Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0751, indicates that Shift Solenoid Valve A is stuck in the off position. This issue primarily affects the transmission system, specifically its ability to shift gears properly. The Honda Pilot, a mid-size SUV, relies heavily on its automatic transmission for seamless gear changes and optimal performance. When this fault occurs, the vehicle defaults to a fail-safe mode, limiting the transmission to only third and fourth gears, which can impact drivability and performance. Understanding the components involved, such as the shift solenoid valve and the transmission control module, PCM, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This presentation will explore the error in depth, discussing its description, potential causes, symptoms, and detailed troubleshooting steps. DTC P0751 corresponds to a malfunction in shift solenoid valve A, which is integral to the transmission's operation. This solenoid valve is responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid to various parts of the transmission system, aiding in gear shifts. It is typically located within the transmission assembly, often near the valve body, where it can effectively manage gear selection based on input from the PCM. When this solenoid fails or sticks in the off position, it disrupts the pressure required for the transmission to shift gears properly. Consequently, the transmission may only upshift to third or fourth gear, thereby engaging the fail-safe mode designed to protect the vehicle from further damage. Such a malfunction can lead to impaired acceleration and overall drivability, necessitating prompt diagnosis and repair. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0751 being set in the PCM. One common issue is a faulty shift solenoid valve A, which may be stuck in the off position due to wear or electrical issues. Additionally, if metal debris or excessive clutch material is found within the transmission fluid strainer, this can indicate internal transmission damage, prompting gear engagement issues. Low levels of automatic transmission fluid, ATF, can also lead to insufficient pressure, affecting the solenoid's operation and causing erratic shifting behavior. Before proceeding with repairs, a thorough investigation into these potential causes is crucial to pinpoint the specific problem affecting the transmission's performance. The symptoms associated with DTC P0751 can significantly affect vehicle performance and driver experience. A primary issue is the vehicle's limitation on gear shifting, as it may only allow shifts into third or fourth gear, severely affecting acceleration. Drivers may also notice harsh transitions between gears, which can be unsettling and may indicate improper fluid pressure or solenoid function. Additionally, the transmission warning light could illuminate on the dashboard, alerting drivers to an issue requiring immediate attention. These symptoms should not be ignored, as they can signify a serious problem that may lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0751 involves checking the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, levels. Begin by warming up the engine to reach normal operating temperature until the radiator fan activates. Once at the appropriate temperature, verify that the transmission is filled to the proper level and inspect for any visible fluid leaks. If any leaks are detected, they should be addressed immediately to prevent fluid loss. Following this, drain the ATF through the strainer and inspect it for metal debris or excessive clutch material. Finding such debris may indicate internal transmission wear or failure, necessitating a transmission replacement. If no issues are found, replace the ATF and proceed to the next troubleshooting step. In the second troubleshooting step, raise the vehicle securely on a lift, ensuring that all four wheels can rotate freely. Turn the vehicle to the on position without starting the engine, which allows preliminary checks while minimizing safety risks. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the PCM, resetting the error codes. After clearing the codes, start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist, VSA. By pressing the VSA off button if the vehicle speed exceeds 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour. With the shift lever in drive, D, allow the transmission to shift progressively to second gear, monitoring for any abnormal performance. Pay close attention to the response of the third and fifth pressure switches and the ability of the vehicle to shift smoothly. The third troubleshooting step involves checking the operation of Shift Solenoid Valve A using the HDS. Navigate to the miscellaneous test menu and select the Shift Solenoid Valve A test option to engage the solenoid. Listen carefully for a clicking sound during the test. A clicking indicates that the solenoid is functioning correctly. If the sound is heard, the failure may lie within the secondary valve body, warranting its replacement. Conversely, if no sound is detected, then it confirms a fault in the solenoid itself, necessitating its replacement along with the secondary valve body. It's paramount to correct this malfunction to restore proper functionality to the transmission system. Once repairs are complete for DTC P0751, conduct a final verification to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Begin with a test drive of the vehicle, monitoring its performance closely during various driving conditions. Check that the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears without hesitation or harsh transitions. After the test drive, use the HDS to check for any recurrence of the DTC. Confirming that the code does not reappear allows for confidence in the repair's effectiveness. Also, verify that the vehicle's performance aligns with the expected functionality, ensuring the overall integrity of the repair process. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues like DTC P0751 in the future. Schedule routine checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, to ensure that it remains at the correct level and in good condition. Regular inspection of the transmission system, including components like the shift solenoid, can help identify potential problems before they escalate. Additionally, pay close attention to any warning lights that appear on the dashboard, as they can serve as vital indicators of emerging issues. Keeping a proactive maintenance schedule can greatly extend the life of the transmission and safeguard against unforeseen repairs. In summarizing the troubleshooting process for DTC P0751, it is essential to understand the nature of this diagnostic code, which indicates a problem with Shift Solenoid Valve A. Following the outlined diagnostic steps allows for a systematic approach to identify the root cause effectively. Proper maintenance practices and timely repairs can prevent recurrence, ensuring smooth vehicle operation and enhancing the longevity of the transmission system. Awareness of symptoms, such as limited gear shifting and harsh transitions, can prompt timely intervention. Ultimately, being informed and proactive in vehicle maintenance can lead to safer and more efficient driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.